Now that we can create, edit, display, and update our customers, the last thing that we're going to need to be able to do to our customers before we can move on to the next model is destroy them or delete them. Destroy is the sales term for deleting an object from the database. So if you'll remember back from when we first created the index page, we already added the show, edit, and delete buttons. The show button takes you to the show page that we created. The edit button now takes you to this page to be able to edit the customer. And delete or destroy already can get rid of a customer before we change anything else. So we're going to click on that. If you'll note down at the bottom of the web page here, I can't really show it, but it says localhost 1337/customer/destroy/5. 5 in this case is Tony Stark's ID. So we are going to hit that link. Notice the URL is customer/destroy/5, and it returns us the JSON of the object. But when we go back to our customer list here, Tony Stark is gone. He has been deleted as a customer. Now, again, that's fine and dandy. We can delete customers, but we want that to do and perform a little bit more of a sensible action. We don't want it to display the JSON of the object that we just deleted. So we're going to create a custom action in our customer controller, just like we have for the rest of them. And that custom action, of course, is going to be called destroy, and it's going to execute customer.destroy. Now, customer.destroy is another one of the built-in functions created for models in Sails. And if we run request.parameterID, that pulls the ID of that customer. So that is going to, this function right here destroys the customer. After the customer is destroyed, we'll run this, we'll execute the next function. Now, this is a slightly different syntax than what we've used throughout here, but this is more along the lines of what Sails recommends. This other syntax works just fine, but we'll see in some next lessons why I'm switching to this newer syntax. So we're going to execute customer.destroy and then execute our new function, which is just going to redirect back to our customer list. So after we've destroyed an object or a customer, we'll return to the customer list. And if everything executed correctly, that customer that we deleted should be gone. So we will run this. Open up. Note we have Pennywise here at dairy.main, and we are going to destroy him. So we'll hit that delete key and watch what happens. We return right back to that customer list with Pennywise now deleted from the database. And that's it. Now we have a fully functioning customer. We can create a new customer with that beautiful form that we've created. We can execute that creation and then show that customer in a pretty output. We can show a list of all of our customers. We can display a form to edit our customers with the customer information already populated. We can update our customers to edit that customer on the database end. And finally, we can completely delete customers. We are now done with the basics of creating, reading, updating, and deleting, or CRUDing objects in Sails. The last thing, as always, is to commit. Add a destroy function and sync.